Hello, I am Tara.
And I'm Jill.
We are from livingonadime.com, and today we are going to combine tips number 3 and 4 on how to get organized from our ebook set on how to get organized and clean your home. It is in the description below. Click down there and get it. And you can get our Dining on a Dime cookbook, which has a great number of cleaning recipes, how to make your own countertop disinfectant, how to make your own window cleaner, those kinds of things right here. Dining on a Dime, we covered it all.
And we're just touching the highlights of the cleaning books. We're not even going into depth. There's so much more material in these books than what we're even touching on.
So we're giving you some highlights. So number 3 and 4, think ahead and stop procrastinating.
Thinking ahead is plan what you're going to have for dinner that morning or even the night before. Have it planned. Make sure you have all the make sure you have all the ingredients you have for that meal that you have planned. Sign the kids' school papers that night before. Make sure they're signed and put in the kids' backpacks, that their shoes, their coats, the car keys are all gathered up and ready to go when you get up in the morning. You don't know how much headache that will save some people and stress and time if you just do those couple of little things, to do that. Make the kids' lunch ahead of time when you can. Figure out what clothes you're going to wear. I could spend a lot of time trying to think, what am I going to wear? Do I blah, 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 something's maybe dirty. I plan on something. But if you have it all gathered up and figured up, even for the kids, if you can, if you're an organized person, you can get the kids' lined up for a week if you need to on a little shelf or something. There's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday's outfits, all the way down to the undies and everything, because they can search for socks and shoes.
We took care of that by going to a school that wears uniforms. So he only has the choice to wear 2 things.
Yeah, but plan that. That's what I call thinking ahead of planning these things. Or if you're going to be going to run errands, think ahead and make sure you're covering all the places you need to go.
Yep. Never procrastinate.
No.
Procrastination, I would say, is the number one reason why nobody is organized.
And it's a reason because they don't want to do it. So by saying, I don't have time to do it, it's too hard to do, I don't know how to do it, you're making an excuse for not doing it.
Stop thinking about it so much. So the other day, the kids unload the dishwasher. Well, they don't exactly do it neatly all the time. And the cups and mugs had gotten out of control, and it was making me so mad. So I was like, Tara, just stop this. So I was waiting for my tea to boil. While I was waiting for the tea to boil, I went in right then and there, organized all the mugs. I am not kidding. It took me 2 minutes. 2 minutes. And we have a lot of mugs because we use them for the show as props. And so we have whittled them down, but there's just so much I have to do for the show that kind of impedes on that a little bit. And by the time my tea water was boiling,
you had it done.
I had all those mugs done, and I wasn't even thinking about it.
Yeah, so. And if you bring the groceries home and you're putting the canned goods up and you see they're all mixed up and out of order on this one shelf, take just a second while you're putting the stuff away to automatically just grab it and straighten it up really quick. That doesn't take a second, to do that. And then you've got it all organized. Another thing is, when I do clothes, as I'm putting clothes like the linens in the closet, the towels or something, if I see they've gotten drug out and jumbled, automatically straighten them. The sock drawer, if you do each one of these things as you see them, it takes you a couple seconds. But if you put it off and procrastinate and wait till the whole thing's fallen on top of you when you open the door, it can take you 30 minutes to fix this closet up from shelf top to bottom. So take those few seconds to do this and stop procrastinating on those things.
So work ahead and stop procrastinating, and you will get a long way to getting organized.
And save stress.
And save a lot of stress. All right, check out our How to Organize Your... I gotta work on this. How to Organize and Clean Your Home ebook series. You think by the time we're to 10, I'll have it down? And our Dining on a Dime cookbook. They are both in the description below. And we will see you guys tomorrow with tip number 5. Bye-bye.